Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a widget on iPhone. So one of the ways to make a widget on iPhone is you can hold your screen, hit edit, and then hit add widget, right? And you can use that provided widget from your iPhone to add, okay? And let's say, for example, I want to add note. I can select different shapes to add right here. So for example, this one. I'm gonna just put it out there, okay? If you want to make widgets, you can use, like, if you want to make widgets based off your, let's say, image or whatever, you can use the widget creator right here. I'm gonna search for it. Widgetsmith, yeah. It's called Widgetsmith. You're gonna download it and simply you can add whatever picture you want, right? Using Widgetsmith, and do the same steps. Hold your screen, hit edit, add widget, and you're gonna see, of course, the Widgetsmith added right here. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.